everyone, Cheryl here with a video, and this one is for the scrapping cottage using the CottageCutz monkey peeker. And I'm gonna do the alcohol ink technique like I did on this teddy bear here, but I'm gonna do it on the monkey. And so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is cut out the pieces that you're going to want to use, and I picked to use him like this. So, and then I cut his shirt out in a pattern paper. And let me see if I can get in a little closer. Okay, so I'll move those two aside. So the technique I'm going to do, the first technique is the latte, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my mat, if I can open this up. Whoa, that's kind of a lot. And I'm using the alcohol blending solution. Actually, with this, we could probably use a Q-tip, one of these applicator ones. I want the face to be lighter than the rest. Let's see if I... So you could use some, different. And then the next color I'm going to use is some of the caramel. So I'm going to put a drop of that and a drop of the ginger. Whoa, and that's a lot. And this is going to be for the hair on him. Let me grab... Oh shoot, I don't think I have my light color. I have such a mess here. Oh, darn it. Well, I was going to do the ears, but I guess I'll hold off on that. Let's see. Hopefully you could see that. And now I'm going to do the whole body. And I want a little bit of the darker color, so I'm adding a little more of the ginger. So you just kind of do them randomly. And now I'm going to use some of this pearl. It should be shaken up really good. Sorry. This is a pearl. Oops. And I actually want that. Oh shoot, I did the face. I knew I was going to do that. Let me... I like to give a little bit of the pearl look. That makes it really kind of shimmery. I don't know if you could see them now. Whoops. With the lighting, it's kind of hard. I might have too much light in my room. There we go. You could see some of it right on this side. But that's how the whole thing will look. Okay, and then usually I take a wet towel, but I don't even have my water down here or anything, so okay, that's good enough for now. Okay, so now I have that, and his little hand, I should have done that. There we go. It's easy enough. And we have the shirt ready. And a little... So the next thing I want to do, I should have a nose. There it is. Now, I like to use the pearls for the eyes. And so that's what I'm going to go ahead and use. How do I link everything? Oh, here it is. And I'm going to use some glue, the Helmer's acid-free craft glue, or just glue, sorry. Okay, and now the little eyes. I like to reinforce them. The eyes are from Really Reasonable Ribbon, or the pearls. I get all my pearls there. Okay, so now he has eyes. He's starting to look more like a little monkey. He's cute. I love doing this technique, the alcohol inking. So now I want to just put him together. So I'm going to go ahead and add his shirt first. Did I close my glue? And for his, I'm going to use the rest of that glue. And now for his head, just add it a little bit. Ah! So now he needs a nose, and the nose I want quite dark, so I'm just going to color it with a Copic marker. You can go as dark as you want. I used the light walnut E57, and that's going to have to do. That was the first one I pulled, so. Now he also has these little, which you probably can't see. He has little, what do you call it? Little indentations. Now you could take a pen. I'm using a Prisma pencil, and I'm just highlighting those by tracing them. And there we have it. Oh, and I forgot his cheeks because I lost my cheek. I didn't lose it, but it's somewhere in the mess. Let's see. I should have, oh, blush or tea rose. I'll use the tea rose. I hope it's not too dark. Oh, shoot. That's why I wanted the blush. The blush always seems to work perfect, so. And so now he has some cheeks, and then, and hopefully you could see this. And now I'm going to add some little dots. So if you want the inside of his ears a different color, you could just add some color. He's cute. Oops, let's see if I move the light again. There we go. Much better. And he's all alcohol inked. Looks really nice. I don't, you know, it's hard to get. There you go. And I hope you enjoyed my video for today. And thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.